Episode 10. Arthur's point of view. June slept Dee without knowing the full truth and fought with his youngs too. Because of that, everyone was angry with him. Yoongi went to send back Dee to the orphanage. June tried to stop him, but he didn't listen to him. He went to his flower garden and talked with his baby's flowers. Jimin went to him and calmly told him the truth, then left without looking at him. After knowing the truth, he was feeling guilty to not listen anyone. Jin told to Jimin to not talk with June. Cookie woke up and started searching Tea everywhere but couldn't find him anywhere. He was feeling bad for him. He kept asking for everyone about Tea, but everyone told him that now Tea won't come back. Jiguk were playing football outside of the house. June came there to apologize them. Let's see what happens next. Cook. Mini hungry. Jimin. Cook. So now won't Bad Tata come back? Jimin. Yoongi hung himself in to send him. Cook. If Cookie call Meow Meow and tell to him to bring back Tata back, then also Meow Meow won't bring him back. Jimin. You know that Yoongi always completes the work that he has taken in his hands. But why do you want Tea to return back? You don't like Tea, right? Cook. Yes, Cookie doesn't like Bad Tata, but here we can give Bad Tata food and water na. Oh, people are bad. They didn't give Bad Tata food and water. They punished Bad Tata too. They are very bad people. Meow Meow shouldn't leave Bad Tata there. Jimin smiled. But he can't live with us na. Cook. We have so many rooms. We can give him one room. He will be so happy. Jimin. What way? Just like it is our house, we have to live here. Same orphanage as Tea's house, he has to live there. Cook. But what if people beat Bad Tata then? Jimin. Then nothing. We can't do anything. It's their personal matter. Cook. Mad. No. If people dare to beat Bad Tata, then Cookie will beat them from Cookie's hammer. Jiguk were playing with football while talking about Tea. Just then June came there to apologize them. June. Mini, Cookie. Oh, so you are playing football. Can Junihangi also play with you? Jiguk looked at him. Cook quickly gave him his football to June and ran inside the house while holding Jimin's hand. June looked at their going figure. I hurt them so much, that's why they aren't talking with me. I hurt them, I have to coax them at any cost. Yes, you can do it, June. I have to do it. He encouraged himself and went inside the house. He came inside the house and saw Jin and Hobie were talking. He went near him and said, June. Jinhyang, Hobie. Hobie looked at him. June, I'm really sorry. Hobie, sorry, but for what? June, for my yesterday's behavior, I behaved ill-mannered, which isn't acceptable in the house according to the rules. I'm really sorry. I overreacted without knowing the truth. Please forgive me. Hobie. June, you broke the rules, so you will definitely get punishment. You will take 5 rounds of the house. You misbehaved with Jinhyang, so it would be better if you apologize to him. June. Jinhyang. June. We never said you are wrong. We can understand your love for Tea and we don't have any problem with that. You're concerned for him, which is perfectly fine. Yoongi is also concerned for Minnie, but he isn't partial. He loves everyone equally. There were so many times when Cookie fought with Minnie, but Yoongi never punished him like you did. He scolded him and gave him punishment too, but according to his mentality, he never punished him physically. We decided to not punish him physically because of some reasons. I hope you still remember the reason. June looked down. Yes, Yang, because he is in little space and doctor said any type of shock can be risky for him. That's why we decided to punish him by other method. Jin, see, you remembered everything. Then also you did that. I know Minnie told you all the truth and you are guilty too. Let this matter aside. Tell me, in your mafia work you behave like this? Do you take decision only after hearing or seeing one side of a story? Don't you give other person chance to explain his side of a story too? Don't you know sometimes we hear or see aren't the truth? Do you take decision being emotional? June, no Yang, I first listen everything, then process it. After that, take any decision. Jin, then why didn't you think when you were dealing with Cook? Don't you have trust on Cookie? June, no Yang, it's not like that. I trust him but don't know what happened to me at that time. I couldn't control my anger when I saw Cookie push tea. I'm feeling so ashamed whenever I remember that incident. Jin, talk to me when Jiku forgive you. Left. Hobby. June, you can do it. Our magnates are very sensible. Think something creative. They will easily forgive you. June, but how? They aren't talking with me. Hobby, think something. You always give Cookie different punishments. Can't you think some unique ideas to apologize them? Oh come on June, you use your 148 IQ brain. You will definitely find something. Patted his shoulder and left. Meanwhile, with Jikook were sitting in Cookie's room. They were arranging the room. His room was so messy, nothing was on their place. Jimin, Cookie, how many pillows have you? Your room is filled with lots of pillows and cushions. Cook, because Cookie loves them so much. They are so soft and fluffy. Jimin, Hobie Yang brought you this much big and fluffy bear bed. Then also you want this much pillows and cushions. And why is here different pillows? Cook, Cookie brought that from Jinny Yangi, Juni Yangi, Opie Yangi, Meow Meow and Minnie Yangi's room. Some are from movie room and living room too. Jimin, your room become pillow storage house. Cook, Minnie Yangi, are you scolding Cookie? Jimin, no. How can I scold Cookie? Cook, yeah, Cookie's thinking. How can Minnie Yangi scold Cookie? Cookie's so cute and innocent, na? Jimin, yeah, so cute and innocent. Jiku were talking while placing the pillows. June came there and made them sit on the bed while holding their hands. He kneeled down in front of them and held both the ears by his hands and said, June, while holding his ears, please listen to me only for one time, please. Cook looked at Jimin, who gave him a nod. June, thank you so much for giving me chance to speak. I'm really sorry for my behavior. I wasn't at my right sense. Anger took over me. You know na, T wasn't well. When I see him falling from the staircase, my soul left from my body. I couldn't think anything and slapped you. I know I did a huge mistake. I'm not saying forgive me easily. Punish me, but don't give me silent treatment. It hurts so much, please. Looked at Jimin. Minnie, I hurt you too. You were stopping me, but I didn't listen to you and slapped you too. You, please give me any other punishment. I promise I will complete it, but not silent treatment, please. Cook was about to say something, but Jimin held his hand and dragged him outside. Jimin dragged him in Jin's room. He was wiggling in Jimin's hold. Cook, Minnie Yangi, why did you drag Cookie here? Jimin, because Cookie was about to say something and Jinny Yangi told to us to not talk with him. Cook, oh yeah, but Jinny Yangi Apollo, things hurt. Jimin, apologize. Cook, yeah, this tough Jinny Yangi, this tough na. Jin, what's happening here? Said while coming from the washroom. Cook, Juni Yangi, Apollo Lolo, to Cookie and Minnie Yangi. Can now we forgive him? Jimin, he means apologized. Jin sat on the bed and pulled him on his lap. So Cookie wanna forgive his Juni Yangi. Cook nodded his head vigorously. Yes, Jin, but why? Cook, because Juni Yangi Apollo Lolo na. Jin, but June slapped you and Jimin without any reason. When you did anything wrong, then you get punishment, right? Cook nodded his head vigorously. Yes. Jin, same, you Juni Yangi did wrong things, so now he has to bear his punishment too. Cook, but Juni Yangi is sad na. Cookie can't see him sad. Note, Cookie is mentally 5 years old. At this age, he'd envy, revenge, this type of negative feeling wouldn't develop. It develops after 6 to 8 years normally. At this age, child only has positive feelings like love and cute jealousy, which is harmless. That's why Cookie didn't hold any grudge and forgive June easily. Jin, okay, you can talk with him after he will do something creative for you. Jin, something creative means? Jin, means if he will apologize in different way. Cook, happily, Atti. Jin, till then don't talk to him. They all were talking. Just then they heard Cook Yoongi's car's horn. He looked outside from the window and then ran to the entrance while shouting meow meow. Yoongi ran behind him. Cook shouts meow 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 meow. Yoongi held him. Cookie, why are you running? Cookie, meow meow, you came back. Yoongi, yes, I guess. Cook looked behind him. Meow meow, you came alone? Yoongi, confused. Did I forget to bring something? Jimin, Cookie, what are you searching? Cook looked at him. Cookie is searching Bat Tata. Minnie Yangi, meow meow, did you forget Bat Tata? Yoongi, Bat Tata? Jimin, Yang, he means tea. He's looking for him since he woke up. Cook, sad face, meow meow, did you really send back Bat Tata to Oppo? Yoongi, wait, don't you want tea? Go back. Cook shook his head vigorously. No, Cookie didn't want this. Oppo people are bad. They will again beat Bat Tata. Yoongi smiled. Don't be sad, Cookie. No one can beat your Bat Tata. Come inside. Yoongi called someone inside and he slowly entered inside the house while looking down. Cook quickly jumped on him and hugged him tightly. Cook happily jumped on him. Bat Tata, you came back. T screamed in pain. Ah! T screamed in pain because Cook hugged him tightly. Because of that, his bruises rubbed. Hearing his screams, everyone ran there. Cook quickly broke the hug and said, Cook, surely Cookie forget Bat Tata is weak and Cookie is so strong, na? Showed him his muscles. T, it's okay. Jin, T went to him and hugged him. Sir, Jin lovingly strokes his hairs. How are you? T, I'm fine, sir. June, how's your foot now? Does it still pain? T looked at him and shook his head vigorously. No, it's not hurting. I'm fine now. Hobby, I will put ointment on it. After that, it will be completely fine. T, okay. Yoongi, T, you wanted to know that where will you live now? T nodded his head vigorously. Yes, sir, you didn't let me go with others. Yoongi, because you are going to live here with us for forever. Now it's your house too. T happily looked at him. Really? I can live here? Hobie, do you have any problem to live here? T looked at him with teary eyes. No, you all are so good. Thank you so much. Jin, come, let me show you your room. Jin took T in a room and everyone followed him. Jin, from today's onwards, this is your room. Now you are also part of our family. You don't need to stay in guest room. This is your own room. You can do anything here, whatever you want. Hobie, T, how's it? Did you like it? If you don't like anything, then tell me. I will change it. T, overwhelmed. It's all so beautiful. I wanna cry so hard. Cook, wiped his tears. Tata, don't cry and smile. Jin, T, Minnie, we'll show you your room properly. We brought things for you. See it, okay? They all left tea with G-Cook and went to living room. Jin gave a glass of water to Yoongi. Yoongi, water. Yoongi gulped the water. Thanks, Hyang. Hobie, Hyang, what happened in the orphanage? Yoongi, Hobie, that was orphanage only for a namesake. It was a center. They sold innocent girls to rich people and mafias for their. They sold tea too. Everyone super shocked. What? To be continued. Author's note. That's it for today. Hope you all like it. I wanna write long episode but couldn't get enough time. Only I know how did I complete it. I made the thumbnail beforehand, so I have to show the scene which I mentioned in the thumbnail. How many of you guessed the correct answer of reality of the orphanage? Comment down. There were so many things more. One more clue revealed. Girls, keep joining the clue to solve the mystery. It's small episode, but it doesn't mean you won't like. Do like to get long episodes. We will meet soon. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.